Hello students, welcome in another session of XII Computer Science Paper 1. So let us proceed Chapter 3 C++. Student, in previous video we have seen concepts related to object-oriented programming language. Means objects, class, inheritance, polymorphism, data abstraction, encapsulation. Okay. Now student, in this video I am explaining general format of class declaration and how member functions of class can be defined outside the class definition and inside the class definition. Now see, already we have seen definition of class, or what do you mean by class? What is class? Class is a way to bind data and its associated functions together. It is called as class. Now see, syntax or general format of class declaration. Now this is a general format of class declaration. See, class, class name, then begin sign, private, then here colon, then declaration of variables, then semicolon, declaration of functions, semicolon, public, colon, declaration of variable, semicolon, and declaration of functions, semicolon, and then end of class, and after end of class here colon is there, semicolon is there. Okay, means if semicolon is there, that is the end of class. Means class is a keyword. Okay, class is a keyword and this is a name of the class. Class name means name of the class. You can give any name of the class. Now declaration of variable and declaration of function, this is a private functions and data variables, because here private is there. Okay, and public function and data, this is a public declaration of variable and function. The keyword class specifies that what follows is an abstract data type class name. Means under this class name which functions are and variables are declared. The body of class enclosed within the braces, means this begin and end, means this is total body of class. In between this begin and end enclosed within braces and terminated by this semicolon. Okay, semicolon, it is terminated by end of class. Now the body of class contains declaration of class members which are variables and functions. Means see here, this is a body of class and which are variables and functions. They are generally grouped under two sections, namely private and public. See here, this is a private and public. Okay, this is also called as visibility labels, or it is also called as access specifiers. These keywords are followed by colon. See here, after private colon is there, after public colon is there. The members declare as private, means whatever declared under private can be accessed only from within the class. It hides data from external use. It is a key feature of object-oriented programming language. Means student, whatever declared under this private access specifier, that variables and functions can't be accessed other functions, means it hides data from external use. But opposite of private, public, if that variables and declare whatever data declare under public and functions, public access specifier or functions, the public members can be accessed from outside the class also. Means whatever declare variable and functions under public access file, that data or functions can be accessed outside the members or outside the functions. Okay, if both the visibility labels means private public, it is called as visibility labels, or private public, it is also called as access specifier. Okay, so this access specifier if are missing, suppose you forget right here private or public, okay, directly you have to declare variable or function, then what happen? Then by default the member function of the class are private, means compiler can take that data or functions are private. Such a class is completely hidden from outside world and does not serve any purpose. Okay, if unfortunately you forget here or you missing right here public or private keyword, okay, directly you have to write here declare variable or functions, then compiler or program can take that data by default private, always remember. So student, one thing is always remember, if class is declared, then all functions are declared under public access specifier. Okay, under public access specifier. Understood? General format of class declaration. Okay, these questions asked in board paper, what is a class? Explain general format or explain general syntax of class declaration. Then write the definition of class and write this syntax or format of class and one example. Okay, understood? This class name, class is a keyword. Then begin, private is a access specifier, then colon, declaration of variables, semicolon, declaration of functions, semicolon. Again public, colon, declaration of variables, semicolon, declaration of functions, semicolon, end, and after end write here semicolon. This after this braces means the semicolon indicates end of class. Understood, student? Now see example. Now you know syntax of or format of class declaration. Class name. Now here class is a keyword, item is a class name, then begin, okay, then private access specifier, colon, int number, semicolon, float cost, okay, semicolon, number and cost, these are the variable name, and what is the data type of number is int, and cost, what is the data type of cost variable is a float. Okay, now again declare public access specifier, after public write here colon, then here one functions are declared, void get data, open and close bracket, then semicolon. What is the meaning of this open and close bracket, student? Open and close bracket indicates that is a function. Okay, open and close bracket indicates that is a function, it indicates function. Then semicolon, again one more function is declared, void display, open and close bracket, semicolon. What do you mean by void? Void is a built-in data type, means no return data type. Okay, this is the and then end, and after this end here semicolon is very important. Always remember, if class is declared, then after end of class then give here semicolon. If semicolon is not given, then totally wrong the answer. Okay, so this is the data members of variable, okay, and this is a member functions, or it is also called as methods. You know function, this is a get data and display, these two are functions, but here member functions word is right. Why it is called as member function, or it is also called as methods? Member function means these two functions are under this class atom. Okay, get data and display, these two functions declare under this class atom. So this is a member of this class. This get data and display, these two functions are member of this class. Like this, suppose you are all 12th B class students, means 12th B is a class and under this class 80 students are there. So students are a members of 12th B class. Same like here, atom is a main member, okay, and under this member get data and display, these are two functions under this atom class. So this is called as member functions, okay, always remember this is called as member functions or this is called as data member. These are variables under this atom class, so this is also called as data member or member function. It is another word is method, okay, understood. Now next is defining member functions. Next is defining member function. Now you know what do you mean by member function, okay. Now see, member functions can be defined in two places. Member function of class can be defined in two places. One is outside the class definition and second one is inside the class definition. One is outside the class definition and second one is inside the class definition. Now let us see one by one in detail how to declare member function outside the class definition. Now see, first one is outside the class definition. Now first see general format of member function definition outside the class definition is. What is the syntax if you want to declare member function outside the class, okay. First see the syntax. See here, return data type. Return data type means here which data type is used, okay. Then space, class name, here scope resolution operator, then function name and in bracket argument declaration. If declare any variables in bracket, then here write here variables, okay. Then begin, function body and end. This is a general format of outside the member function class declaration, okay. Now see the example. See, first if you want to declare member function outside the class, then first declare class and then declare outside the class. Now first declare class. Class definition. Student, first tell me what is the difference between definition and declaration. What is the difference between definition and declaration, okay. First, now see, definition means actual coding, whatever you write under that function, that it is called as definition. And declaration means just declare that variable, just declare that function name, okay. See here, here class definition. So in class try1, class is a keyword, try1 is a class name, okay. Under this class public access specifier is used. Under this public specifier void display in bracket void and semicolon. I think you know if semicolon is given, then that statement is terminated, okay. That statement is terminated means end of that statement, end of that function, end of that class. That is the meaning of this semicolon in C++, okay. So here void display in bracket void. Sorry, why here write void? Because here no any variables are declared, okay. Just you can write also open and close bracket. So void display void, just declare here display member function and then after that write here end and semicolon. Now end and semicolon means end of this class. This is a member function. This is a member function under class name and this is the end of class, okay. End of class and this is a member function. Now see, this display function just declare here, not define. Just declare, not define. Student, one more thing is remember, if you have to write member function outside the class definition, at that time first you have to declare member function in class. Just declare like this, void display in bracket void. This is a declaration of that member function. Then that actual coding write outside the class definition. Now you know syntax of member function outside the class definition. See, return data type, class name, scope resolution operator, function name in bracket argument declaration, begin, function body and end. Okay. Now see, member function definition outside the class. What is this, student? This class definition, member function definition. See here, slashes is there, double slashes. Okay. It indicates comments in C++. Okay. This is for user understanding. Now see return data type. What is the return? See here, first is return data type. What is the return data type in member function? Void. So write here void. Then class name. What is the class name? Try1. Then here write try1. Then scope resolution operator. See here, scope resolution operator. And then function name. What is the function name? Display. So write here display. And in bracket argument declaration. So here no any argument are declared. So here directly write void. Okay. Now begin. Here just declare one sentence. Print one sentence. See out. Okay. Insertion operator in double quotes. C++ is a object oriented programming. Okay. /n, you know what you mean by /n means next line. Then complete the double quotes, then semicolon. Okay. And end of this function. What here don't write semicolon because this end is display function, not a class. Okay. This is a end of display function. Student, in outside the member function, the member function incorporates an identify label or membership label, that is class name. Okay. Class name and scope resolution operator means these labels means if write here try1 and scope resolution operator. Okay. What is the meaning of this scope resolution operator and try1? Because try1 is a class name and display where it is declared under this try1 class. Okay. So display function under this try1 class means compiler tells this label tells compiler the class to which the function belongs and restricts the scope of that function, the object of the class name. Okay, specified in header line means see here this display function declare under this try1. So this is the meaning of try1 scope resolution operator means display function under this try1 class. Understood, student? How to declare outside the member function of class definition. Okay, first declare class, then inside the class write access specifier. Generally always remember write public access specifier, then declare member function. You can give any name of that function. Okay, just declare, not definition. See here just declare. See here write member function definition. Definition means actual coding, whatever write under the display function. Okay. Then what is the format? Return data type, class name, scope resolution operator, function name, argument declaration. Then apply here, void is return data type, try1 is class name, scope resolution operator, display is function name, member function name, then void. And whatever write under this function. Okay, this is a example of outside the class definition. Now see, next is inside the class definition. Inside the class definition means When function is defined inside a class, it is treated as an inline function. Okay, it is treated as an inline function. Normally, only small functions are defined inside the class definition. Means suppose normal small function means suppose 4-5 lines pages are program, and in that program 2 pages functions are there. So or that function declare outside the class definition, but small functions are in program, then normally only small functions are defined inside the class definition. Now see directly example, because class format and inside the class definition both are same. See here, class private, then begin, public is the access specifier, then colon, void, display void, this is a member function, then begin. Okay, immediately whatever coding or whatever write under the member function, immediately write under this declaration. Then begin, C out C++ is object oriented language, semicolon, end of this function, and end of this try one means class. Okay, this is the end of class and this is the end of function. Understood? This is the inside the class definition. Now student see difference between member function declare outside the class and member function declare inside the class. See once again, see here, in member function declare outside the class, first declare a class, inside the class declare access specifier, then declare member function. Okay, just declare it member function and then end of class, because semicolon is there, end of class, and then after that write the actual coding of whatever write in display. Then what is the syntax? No return data, return data type, whatever return data type declare in under class void. So write here void, then class name, which class declare this member function, try one, then write here try one, then scope resolution operator. You know what is the function of scope resolution operator? Scope resolution operator access any data or functions outside the program or inside the program, whatever outside the program globally, it access the data or member function outside the main program. Okay, this is the function of scope resolution operator. Then function name means what is the function name? Display, and nothing arguments. So write here void. Then begin, C out C++ is the object oriented programming language. Okay, semicolon, and end of this end is function end. This end is function end. Okay, and these are the member function, display and this display, these are the member function. Now see, member function declare inside the class, first declare a class, try one, same example, see, then begin, access specifier public, colon, void, display void, see, void, display void, same functions are used. Okay, then immediately after declaration this member function write begin, and whatever coding write in display write immediately after declaring this member function. Then C out C++ is a object oriented programming language. This is the end of this display function and this is the end of this class. Okay, understood student? What is the difference between outside and inside? If outside is declare, then first declare member function inside the class and then using this format write actual coding. Okay, and in inside whatever functions declare or which functions you have to write then totally inside the class, finally end of this class. Okay, This is the difference between inside and outside the class. And this is the end of this session 4. Thank you.